my beautiful crafty friends. I'm Katia with Lunar Sun Creations, and I hope you're having a beautiful day today. I apologize that I have been pretty sporadic on my uploading of videos lately. I have been focusing on something that I have never done before, and it has taken up a lot of my time, and that is Christmas markets. I have never done the Christmas market season before because, as many of you know, I am a manager at a restaurant. And so markets are always on the weekends, and the restaurant is always the busiest on the weekends, so it's been really hard to take time off. However, this season I decided to prioritize my art, and I took a whole bunch of weekends off actually. And I'm doing 6 Christmas markets altogether. I've gotten 2 done already, 4 more to go, so that has been my primary focus. However, YouTube is still a priority for me. You are still a priority for me. So today I have an album share. These are a custom order for someone who wanted a couple Gothic themed albums for her nieces for Christmas. So that's what I'm going to share with you today, and I hope you love them. I love you all, and I hope you're doing well. So here are the albums. I made 2 the same but with different imagery, so I'll just kind of go through them both. We'll do this one first. So this is kind of like a red and black theme. I love this image on the front. There's the spine and the back. So open it up, and this goes to the side, and there's a pocket here. And then this pulls down and up. Over here, this opens to the side for spaces for photos and journaling. And then this pulls down, and we've got a rolling waterfall. Over here is another pocket with a little booklet, and then this piece goes up. And then over here, this opens up, and we've got a double opening on each side. And then the back. Okay, so that is the one. And then the other one is more in the purple theme. So again, goes up and down. And then the pocket here. And then this opens. So they're fairly simple albums, but they don't, I'm trying to make myself realize that an album doesn't have to be super complicated to be cool. And then over here, I've got the pull-out. And then this flap goes up. And then the double opening here. So lots of room for photos and journaling, and the imagery is just so gorgeous. Some of the papers are from Digital Curio, but most of them I downloaded from a shop on Etsy called Dreamy Paper Art, I believe it's called. I'll put the link down below to both of those shops because there's some gorgeous, gorgeous stuff in both of those shops. So if you'd like a tutorial on this album, let me know in the comments below, and I can make that happen for you. I hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you again very, very soon. Sending you huge hugs. Be kind to each other, and I will see you again soon. Bye!